Hey guys, let's take a look at the Leatherman Micra. If you've been watching this channel, you know I'm a bit of a, I'm an all-out addict to multi-tools. I have a multi-tool Gerber suspension. I'll put a link to the previous review here. I've had this one for quite some time. It is a traditional, to some degree, to a great degree, a traditional multi-tool. It has pliers. It has small screwdrivers. That's a straight screwdriver. It has multiple different screwdrivers. It has, of course, a knife blade. The thing with here's another one, has a unusual look Phillips head screwdriver there. A slightly larger straight screwdriver. Basically what you're looking here, and a file and a file for your fingers, or to clean your fingernails. So that is a small tool. The thing is that small tools, multi-tools, have different functions than large multi-tools. You're not going to run across screws the size that fit this that often, unless you're working on small components. If you're doing like electronics, if you're repairing consoles or any other piece of consumer electronics, you might have need for those small tools. So to a great degree, the Gerber is a micro version of a traditional multi-tool. Now the Leatherman Micra, which I have just gotten lately, is and what this review is on the Leatherman Micra, is a really small tool that is basically suited purely for small use, for taking care of tiny things, usually those things that are related to something that's small. You have a somewhat small fingernail cleaner or file. You have a pair of tweezers. I don't see, it's a very tiny pair, but if you have an eyelash that's killing you or anything else small, that's a very good addition. You have a small straight edge screwdriver and a very tiny straight edge screwdriver with maybe a small bottle cap opener that might be useful. And it is not pliers, they're scissors. And the fact is, you're more likely to need small scissors than small pliers. So I thought I would get this Leatherman Micra. I saw it and I said, well, I need something that's actually basically modeled for use on a keychain. And this is basically it. You know, even us rather barbaric men need to clean our fingernails, need to do filing, need to pluck something every now and then, and that is basically what this is. And this also makes it very good for ladies who do a lot more plucking and preening than the majority of the male people who watch my videos. Not to say a lot of people don't, no problem with that, but just in case, this is a tool that is more likely to be suited not only for males, but it's also very good for females. So I thought I would give you a little look at this Leatherman Micra. Now that is, it also has on here a very small rule. So they're getting a 2 inches, actually 4 inches if you give it a full range like this, and slightly over 4 inches, and about 11 centimeters. So you also have a small ruler. So I thought I'd give you a quick look at that. That is a tiny multi-tool, and it's basically suited for the functions of its size. I still love my Gerber suspension, and I do use it on occasion, because occasionally I do need a small set of pliers. So thought I would show that. Also, on my keychain, I carry another small little Gerber knife, which is very sharp for a production knife. Frame lock, so it's not that complex and easier to easier to use and to easier to carry. So I thought I would give a review of the Micra basically. In case I want to give you a quick look at what's on my keychain. And if you'd like to send me what's on your keychain, I would be more than happy to see it. I will talk to you later and you have a wonderful day.